Hello, my wonderful friends. Oh, how I've missed you all. Welcome back to MelaMagiq's Learning Playground. I have so many magical adventures planned for us, and I can't wait to share them with you. I know it's been a while since we were last together, and I'm so sorry for the break. So much has been changing here in MelaMagiq Land, and it's been keeping me very, very busy. There's been some sparkling new magic, new faces, and exciting changes across our land, all waiting for us to explore. Let me introduce you to my amazing friends who will be here to help guide our adventures.
Hello, brilliant explorers. My name is Zuri, and I'm here to take you on incredible journeys through the power of words and stories. In our time together, we'll unlock the mysteries hidden in books and discover how each letter and word can open new worlds. Are you ready to read, write, and imagine with me? Fantastic! Today is all about introducing myself and telling you all what I love to do. But oh no, it looks like Vex the villain has scrambled some of our letters. Can you unscramble them? The answer is my favorite thing that I love to do. R, E, A, D.
Read! You love to read.
Haha, I tricked ya!
This is Vex the villain. Now, Vex is a bit of a trickster and he loves to mix things up here in Alphabetcha Village. Vex has a unique kind of magic. Instead of using it to keep things orderly, he scrambles our words and jumbles our letters, all in good fun. But don't worry, it's all part of how we learn to solve problems and strengthen our word magic. Every time Vex mixes up our words, it gives us a chance to play detective and put them back together. It's like a puzzle, and each word we fix makes our minds sharper. Plus, Vex keeps things interesting, don't you think? So, while Vex may be a bit of a rascal, he's also teaching us in his own quirky way. Together, we'll catch the scrambled words, rearrange them, and learn new things with each puzzle he creates.
Vex loves to prank. A very fun trickster, but Vex will never harm. Vex is all fun and games.
That's right, Vex. But sometimes he can go too far and be a bit of trouble, making things too hard for us. Then we have to call on Super Sally and Super Sadie to help us. We'll meet them later. I'm sure Vex has plenty of problems up his sleeve. Hey, why don't you all meet Sophie?
Hola amigos, I'm Sophia. I loves everything from the wonders of nature to exploring the basics of science and learning all about the creatures that share our planet. From the tiniest ant to the tallest tree, everything has a story waiting to be discovered. With each question we ask, we open a door to new knowledge. Why do leaves change color? How do bees make honey? What makes the stars shine at night? These are just a few of the mysteries we'll solve. I believe every day is a chance to learn something wonderful. So grab your explorer's hat, bring your curiosity, and let's discover the magic of science together. Oh look, beautiful butterfly! Do you know the life cycle of a butterfly? It all begins with a tiny egg. A mother butterfly lays her eggs on the leaves of plants. Can you guess why she chooses leaves? That's right, it's for food. The tiny caterpillars need to eat it as soon as they hatch. Once the egg hatches, out comes a little caterpillar. This is the larva stage. They eat a lot of leaves and start to grow bigger. What do you think happens next? The caterpillar then wraps itself in a silky cocoon, entering the pupa stage. Inside, it's transforming into something wonderful. Can you guess what it's becoming? And finally, the beautiful butterfly emerges. Now fully grown, it will start the cycle all over again by laying its own eggs. Isn't nature amazing? Butterflies live all over the world, adapting to many environments. Each one is unique in its colors and patterns. Let's continue to explore and learn about the wonderful creatures of our planet. Now that you know a little about me, let's meet Min. It was nice to meet you, amigos. See you soon.
Hello, wonderful kiddos. My name is Min. I am a cool, fun math expert. So you know my favorite thing is math. I'm super excited to take you on adventures filled with numbers, puzzles, and lots of fun challenges. Are you ready to become a problem-solving hero with me? Whether we're counting stars in the sky, figuring out the pieces of a puzzle, or solving riddles, every moment is an opportunity to learn something exciting. Let's count how many apples are on this tree together. After we count them, we'll do a little subtraction to see how many are left after we pick some for our snack.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Yes, great job. There are 4 apples in this tree. Now if we pick 3 of them, how many will be left?
1 apple left.
Awesome. There's 1 apple left. Now let's use the 3 apples that we picked to make a glass of apple juice, which is my favorite, by the way.
Wow, what an amazing journey we've had today with our wonderful teachers. I hope you've enjoyed learning with Zuri, Min, and Sophia as much as I have. You will be seeing a lot of them now that we have our new learning center up and running. And guess what? Next week, they will take you to our enchanted treehouse of discovery, where your world meets MelaMagiq Land. Also, Madam Luna and I are opening up our magical fairy school. You are joining us on our very first day, meeting 3 of our first magical fairy students. But you'll have to stay tuned for the magical adventures that lie ahead. It feels great to be back. I think you are all going to love how we rebuilt MelaMagiq Land, and you'll love even more the new faces that have come around. Thank you all for your patience and sticking around. See you next week.